All right, my friend. So if the objective is to make money, I'm going to share with you the exact advice I would have wanted to receive when I was first getting started online, or if I was popping online right now and knew nothing about my options or how to get started. This is the advice that I would want to actually receive. So I'm coming at this as your big sis first off, and not a YouTuber. So don't expect perfection, expect real talk. And I'm just thinking back to when I got started, like again, the real talk that I really appreciated that helped me get off to such a fast start. And there were definitely things that I was given advice around that I didn't heed, and it actually delayed success that I could have had a lot earlier. And so that's what I'm going to give to you today. All right. So the very first thing is that I would not decide to throw away my time figuring things out. I see a lot of people coming online and they attack their business like it's a badge of honor to figure things out, to not invest any money into information or no money into mentorship, no money into education. I'm just going to get out there and I'm going to string together a bunch of free information and I'm going to figure it out. The reason why I would not have wanted to have gotten that advice for myself is because we cannot get back our time. And if I were coming online as a 51-year-old person like I am, I would not want to hear, well, Steph, you just gotta figure things out. Like your best option is just to jump out there and figure things out, right? Figure out a business model, figure out a platform, figure out the way you want to make money, figure out how to build this, figure out how to build that. That is not what I'd want to hear. Again, because with all of my experiences, no matter how old or young you are, you cannot ever get back a stitch of your time. So do not opt to figure things out thinking that you're actually saving yourself money. There is a cost to opportunity. And so let me just ask you a question to put it in perspective before we dive into what I would recommend. If you knew that you could be in profit status in the next 30 days, like from today, that you could have made your money back and then some, like profit status, would you opt for that? Or would you opt for, no, I'm just going to figure things out and then, see what happens 90 days from now? Would you opt for like uncertainty? Because that's really what it is. When you're deciding to figure things out, you don't know what to expect. You don't know anything, right? So you're opting for like such a high level of uncertainty. And I see the frustration as I watch people on TikTok and Instagram and even YouTube. And I don't mean to sound condescending or mean, but again, I'm here as your big sis, not a YouTuber. I'm here to help you get off to a fast path of making money online. Again, if that is your objective. So if your objective is not to make money, don't get mad at me for this advice, right? Continue carrying on, right, with whatever you've been doing. But if your objective is to make money, right, I'm going to tell you exactly how I was able to get started and make my very first sale online on day number 3, go on to make 28 sales in my first 30 days, and how I've repeated this process time and time and time again online over the many years that I've been online. So knowing that money replenishes itself. So time does not. We can never get back a stitch of our time. Okay, I can't get back 5 seconds from now, right? Let alone 90 days or a year or many years like some people. But money does replenish itself. So time and time and time again, I have invested my money into opportunity, and I've been able to not only get my money back, right, but hundreds of thousands of dollars on top of that. So what I would decide on and what I would advise someone on is a ready-to-go business. Think of it like a franchise or a turnkey system. I'm 51 years old, and I am almost certain the concepts of franchises and turnkey businesses have been around for longer than I've even been alive. So it's not a new concept. Online, guess what? It very much so is a thing to not have to figure out a bunch of stuff, to invest a little bit of money into a ready-to-go business, and to not have to worry about figuring anything out. What you're doing here is you are investing so that you don't have to figure things out. You are investing in a level of certainty, all right? So that is what I would opt for. I would also understand, or if I was talking to you, you were in my living room, and I was explaining this to you, I would say expect minimal setup, right? So even if you were to invest into a McDonald's franchise, it's a proven system. There's an element of certainty. There is no figuring it out because they have a process that you're buying into, but you still have to actually set up your business. And so I would know there's minimal setup, and I would be down for that. The reason why I'd be down for minimal setup because it means that I have an element of ownership and control, right? And that means longevity. So I would expect there to be a minimal level of setup, and I would also opt for 100% profits. And here's the thing, because I can, because 100% profits is a thing. And if I could opt for all of the money every single time I sold something online, that is what I would opt for. And what I realize is that people like myself often take these kind of opportunities for granted. We think everyone knows like this is a viable option. And a lot of people do not. A lot of people come online thinking that they have to sit down and figure out their niche and figure out their passions and figure out their areas of expertise and then figure out how they're going to package that into a digital product or into a course or like what they're going to do. And I'm telling you, if the objective is to make money, there is a faster path and you can avoid all the figuring out and you can set yourself up to get right into profit. And here's also what I would do. Or if I was sitting next to you, right, I would tell you, write this down. I would make a commitment to be in profit within 30 days. Why would I do this? Because it's happening and it's happened for other people, right? So why not me too? And I think that's where, again, if the objective is to make money, I would want to help more people understand that if you buy into having to figure it out and having to have a struggle and it having to take a long time, well, that is what you end up getting. But if you know that there is another option where you don't have to figure things out, you can experience minimal setup, you can set yourself up for 100% profits, and you can reasonably expect to make a profit, right, within your first 30 days, then why the heck not? Like, why not buy into that? If you're going to buy into something, why not buy into that? So it's like when you kind of see the two positioned together, like which one would you opt for? And I just want to create the awareness of not only what is available, but again, if I was looking online at the age of 51 right now, or when I first got started, 33 years old, this is the advice that I would have wanted to have received if I didn't know anything about my options or making money online. Now, for me, I was really lucky because I happened to fall upon a ready-made business system as my first introduction to making money online. So I didn't fall into anyone telling me to go figure things out. I fell into a ready-to-go system, which is why I was able to invest my dollars on day number 0, get out there, not have to figure anything out, and then be able to make my first dollars, right, on day number 3, and in my first 30 days, for sure be in profit status. I had made my investment back on day number 3, and then I made 28 sales in my first 30 days. So instead of beating my head against the wall, instead of encouraging anyone to beat their head against the wall, right, I would say get set up to get the bag. Like that's literally what I would say. If the expectation is to make money, I would say get yourself set up to get to the bag as quickly as you possibly can with the least amount of effort. Why, Steph? Because it's a thing. It's available to us. So why not set ourselves up to go in a much easier path? So there is no honor in hustling, right? We've got to decide we're not going to wear hustling and grinding like it's a badge of honor, that it took us 5 years to figure things out, right? And we're finally making money, right? Or we're finally chugging along. Your reward is not greater because you decide to grind, right? Write that down. Literally, your reward is not greater because you decide to grind. So why not allow it to be just a little bit easier? When I help people get started in business and they get out there and they make sales in their first 30 days, you don't know how good it feels. Because I know for me, the element of figuring it out, I never had to go through when I was first getting started. And remember, I'm here as your big sis, not a YouTuber. But making that first sale on day number 3, knowing I had made my initial investment back, it wasn't even making back the investment that was the big deal. It was what it did to my confidence because I had proof that this would work for me. I had proof that I could come online and I could begin a process and someone I did not even know would buy from me. It's the confidence or the lack of confidence that either sets someone up for success, right? Or it takes them out of the game. When you stop believing in yourself and you start thinking this is not going to work for you, you don't go as hard. But because I saw proof that this would work for me on day number 3, guess what? I started working harder, right? I started doing more. I was so committed because I knew that this wasn't that going to work out. I knew that if I could make one sale, that if one person I didn't know would buy from me, right, then I could go out there and make hundreds and thousands of sales. And that's exactly why in my first 30 days, I was able to make 28 sales, all right? So I help people, right, with this process. And I'm going to break down to you exactly what the steps are, right? Number 1, you're going to decide that you in fact want money fast. The reason you've got to do this, and this is like a 1-minute decision, is because money and success love speed, right? You look at anyone that's having a massive success and they'll likely tell you that once they've decided upon a thing, they take action on the thing. All right. So make a 1-minute decision that you want to get to the money fast, that your objective is to make money and not figure things out. Number 2, you're then going to sign up. You're going to say, I want a ready to go business. I want a franchise. That sounds so grown, doesn't it? I want a franchise. I want a turnkey system. So I don't have to figure everything out. So you're going to sign up, right? And that takes about a 10-minute decision. Now, the reason why this step is so important to you and why we spell it out, while I am spelling it out to you, is because you want to be the buyers that you want in your business. So you take decisive action. Guess what? You end up attracting decisive buyers inside of your business, right? This is not woohoo. It is in fact how it works. I always say study long, study wrong, right? Those that take forever to take action, for one reason or another, I always see it takes them so much longer to get into action. It's because, again, the way that you approach one thing is generally the way that you approach everything. So when I first got started, I saw something similar to this. And I said, oh my gosh, I'm interested. I popped over to the sales page. I ended up purchasing it that night, like at 11:30 at night. And the next day I was in business. Day number 3, I made my first sale. Why? Is because, again, everything about my decisions were speed, 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 speed. I kept giving myself the green light to go. And guess what? I ended up attracting people that were in the same position, wanting to give themselves the green light to go. When we sit back and we're skeptical and we keep making excuses, you finally allow yourself to get started, but then guess what? The next decision you have to make, you're skeptical. You procrastinate. It's like every decision, right? It's not a green light. It's a yellow light, and you're steadily cautious, so you never set yourself up for the big wins fast. And for one reason or another, you end up attracting people, right, that are exact same way. And I think it's because energy matches energy. You give yourself the green light. That's the expected energy that you believe other people should have. So you bring that energy to your business and you attract people that are green lighters as well. Okay, so step number 3. Once you're inside, then you're going to learn the business and you're going to get it set up. And this is about a 1-week process of learning and getting your business set up because it's turnkey. This is not a 90-day process. It's not a year process. It does not even have to be a 30-day process. I have seen so many people come inside and in a weekend completely have their business set up and ready to go. And because this is a turnkey business, even though you will have the opportunity to learn digital marketing skills that can carry you, forever inside of your business, like you'll be able to develop skills that no one can ever take away from you that will keep you paid online forever. We have a very specific system in place where you learn our system. So again, if your objective is to make money and you don't want to figure things out, you're going to follow a suggested path that's going to help you get this business set up, and it's going to help you start making money with this business. And if I didn't mention it, right, this ready to go system, again, you get 100% profits. So we streamline you along and we give you the education, the information that you need to get this business set up and to start taking action, which leads us to step number 4. Then you're going to simply start posting with our done for you content. So we even have a system in place inside of our turnkey business that allows you to be able to get ready-made content created specifically for your business, for you, right, every single day. So even in that, you're not sitting back trying to figure out what to do a TikTok on, or what to do an Instagram reel on, or what to do a video on, or what to post on Facebook, or what to write in your email, right? There is a system in place to even minimize the figuring out when it comes to that as well. All right, so let's talk about your next steps. 2 decisions, right? 1 is high level of uncertainty, no clear direction, and a journey that's just simply based upon figuring things out and literally like rolling the dice and just seeing where it goes. Or a ready-made business option where essentially you're like, give me that franchise, give me that turnkey business. Like, I want to be making money in the next 30 days. Again, no guaranteed income claim made here, but I'm telling you, I know what is possible. I know what worked for me. I know what's working for other people. And I know that when you come into it with like this kind of made up mind, like you will amaze yourself at what you can pull off, what you can make possible for yourself. So if you choose the ready-made business option, minimal setup, all of the training to guide you step by step. So we erase the level of uncertainty and you get out there and you can begin posting, positioning, and setting yourself up to get your initial investment back and to start experiencing those $500 days. Now, I want to talk about those $500 days just for a moment. That was one piece of advice I did not take when I first came online. I got started with a very, very low cost business. And everyone kept saying, Steph, you're really good at this stuff. The same effort you're putting into your business to make those low dollars, right? That same effort could be making you big dollars. And I thought they were lying. Like, I for sure thought selling something so low ticket was easier than selling something high ticket. And it wasn't until months into my journey where I realized that the same work that was making me low ticket dollars was the exact same work that started to make me high ticket dollars. So what I love about this particular ready to go business is that, again, minimal setup, all the training, 100% profits, but we're not talking about pennies. We're talking about $500 sales that really have the opportunity to like change your life really, really quickly. So I love knowing that we help people get set up in a business where they can fast track. They can fast track their setup. They can fast track taking action and starting to post, and they can actually fast track getting to the bag and building up that bank account. And so if you're like, Steph, this sounds like exactly what I want to get my hands on. Trust me, I say that because that's exactly what I hear from so many people. I have so many amazing testimonies, not just of income, but people saying like, Steph, this is exactly what I've been looking for. The exact information, the exact style of business. Steph, oh my gosh, this is a real business in a box. Like, I know a video like this or a conversation like this, like I really can't convey like how quote unquote amazing it is, but it was designed very, very intentionally so that literally you can get started, minimize the figure it out, start posting, and start setting yourself up to make the money that you want to make. And so you also get support with this business system as well. So you not only get the training, not only do you get the 100% license, not only do you get high ticket profits, not even commissions. The money is set up to come instantly and directly to you. And that is what you learn how to set up when you come into this system. Your customers are your customers without you having to create any kind of products or services from scratch. And then on top of that, you get updates at no additional cost, and you also get community support. So every single week you can join your girl, your big sis, during office hours to ask questions and to be supported. So any kind of help you might need, including advanced training, right? You can get access to that every single Tuesday. Gratis, no cost to you whatsoever, all in an effort to support really, really good people that are serious about getting to the money through a business. That's very, very simple to set up. So I hope that this information has inspired you. I hope that you are excited about a different path or a different direction on starting an online business that maybe you didn't even know existed. And if you are ready to get started and or you want to learn more, the link is down below in the description, or you can just simply pop over to www.myturnkeybusiness.com. Now understand something, because to me, this is always what I looked for along my journey, is being able to duplicate what I see. So whether or not you decide upon YouTube as being the way that you post online, right? You're going to be able to pick your platform. All of that's included in the system. We'll show you exactly how to use TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. We'll show you exactly how you can actually, start posting on those platforms. But when you pop over to my website, okay, you don't have to speculate on like, oh my gosh, how am I going to create one of these for myself? Because I know that happens a lot for people. Again, no figuring it out. That sales system that you're going to go over to, you're going to get a replicated version of that. And then we're going to help you with the minimal setup of editing it and connecting your payment processors so that when someone pops over to your sales system, just like mine, and they say, oh my gosh, I want a ready-made business like this, when they decide to buy it from you, right, those $500 comes instantly and directly to you. So everything about this process, you're going to be hand delivered. So again, minimal figuring it out. Really, all you got to do is just simply decide, right? Simply decide. Be the decisive buyer that you want hundreds of inside of your business, because I'm telling you, energy matches energy. If your energy is matching mine, you're like, Steph, I'm ready to go. Pop over to www.myturnkeybusiness.com or just click the link down below in the description. I look so forward to seeing you in my next video, having another conversation with you, right? If that's what it takes, or I look so forward to seeing you inside of the community and welcoming you and meeting you for the first time on office hours this coming Tuesday. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.